Hi guys, welcome to KTC Kids Toys and Crafts channel. Today's surprise toy is the Paw Patrol Jumbo Action Pop Chase. Need some Paw Patrol help? Call on Big Action Chase to help out and save the adventure man. Because with Paw Patrol, no job is too big, no pup is too small. This pup is one athletic German Shepherd who is ready to save Adventure Bay with his tennis ball launcher. This is made and good for children 3 years and above. This includes one jumbo chase figure, one tennis ball, one launcher, one fake megaphone, and no batteries needed. I hope you could collect both Marshall and Chase Jumbo Pups for a team adventure. I'm sure it will be fun if we have both. Let's open it now and take a closer look at it. This is the tennis ball. This is the action figure. It's a 6-inch tall action figure and his head moves from side to side. It has a very detailed design just like in the show. It looks like the real one. Colors used here are really amazing. You can see Chase police logo here, as well as the Paw Patrol logo on his hat. It's made of plastic, but it's not heavy at all. So this is his backpack. We take his megaphone. This is actually a fake megaphone. And on the other side of his backpack is the launcher, the real working tennis ball launcher. Let's place the tennis ball inside the launcher. There you go, and push the launcher button just like in the show. This toy set is good for children as their imagination will be lit up with pop-inspired rescue missions full of friendship, bravery, and teamwork. Definitely children will learn a lot from Paw Patrol missions. So this is the Paw Patrol Jumbo Action Pop Chase. That's the end of my video, guys. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button to join us in every exciting and fun video that we have. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!